In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. You need to start by pinching your device's display. Then clicking on this gear at the bottom left corner. Following that, tap on More, click on Icon Size, and swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust them. When you finished, go back. Then click on this check mark at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!